Choosing the right material for double-hung windows in Houston isn't just about looks, it's about comfort, durability, and long-term savings. Houston's climate brings intense heat, high humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional storm, all of which can take a toll on poorly chosen windows. The right window material helps keep your home cooler, reduces energy costs, and stands up to moisture without constant maintenance. Here's a homeowner-friendly breakdown of the best materials for double-hung windows that perform well in Houston's challenging climate. Vinyl. A top choice for heat and humidity, vinyl is one of the most popular materials for double-hung windows in Houston, and for good reason. It resists moisture naturally, so it won't rot, warp, or swell in humid conditions. That's a major advantage when windows are exposed to frequent rain and sticky summer air. Vinyl windows also offer excellent insulation. When paired with energy-efficient glass, they help keep cool air inside during long Houston summers, reducing the workload on your air conditioner. Another big benefit is low maintenance. Vinyl never needs painting, and a simple cleaning keeps it looking new for years. For homeowners focused on affordability, energy efficiency, and minimal upkeep, vinyl is often the best overall value. Fiberglass. Exceptional strength and stability, fiberglass is an excellent premium option for Houston homes. It's extremely strong and stable, meaning it expands and contracts very little, even in extreme heat. That stability helps maintain a tight ceiling, which improves energy efficiency and prevents air leaks. Fiberglass also handles humidity well and won't corrode or rot. It can be painted, making it a good choice if you want a specific color or plan to update your home's exterior later. While fiberglass windows typically cost more than vinyl, many homeowners see them as a long-term investment thanks to their durability and performance. If you want maximum strength and long-lasting efficiency, fiberglass is hard to beat. Aluminum. Sleek but less insulating aluminum double-hung windows are known for their slim frames and modern appearance. They are strong, lightweight, and resistant to rot and insect damage. However, aluminum conducts heat more than other materials, which can be a drawback in Houston's hot climate. Some modern aluminum windows include thermal breaks to improve insulation, but they generally don't match vinyl or fiberglass in energy efficiency. Aluminum also doesn't insulate against humidity as well, which can lead to condensation issues if not properly designed. Aluminum can work for contemporary homes, but it's best chosen with upgraded insulation features. Composite materials. Balanced performance composite window materials blend wood fibers with synthetic materials to create a strong, moisture-resistant product. These windows offer better insulation than aluminum and greater rigidity than vinyl. They're also less likely to warp or crack in humid conditions. Composite frames often resemble wood but without the high maintenance. They can be a good middle ground option for homeowners who want durability, efficiency, and a more traditional look without worrying about moisture damage. Wood. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood double-hung windows offer classic beauty and natural insulation, but Houston's climate makes them a challenging choice. High humidity and frequent rain can lead to swelling, rot, and mold if the wood isn't meticulously maintained. While wood-clad windows, wood on the inside with a protective exterior material, can perform better, they still require more care than vinyl or fiberglass. For most Houston homeowners, wood is best reserved for historic homes or projects where appearance outweighs maintenance concerns. Choosing the right material for your home for Houston's hot and humid environment, vinyl and fiberglass consistently rank as the best materials for double-hung windows. Vinyl excels in affordability and low maintenance, while fiberglass offers superior strength and long-term performance. Composite materials are a solid alternative, and aluminum or wood may suit specific design preferences with proper upgrades. The right choice ultimately depends on your budget, energy efficiency goals, and how much maintenance you're willing to handle. Investing in the right window material now can mean lower energy bills, better comfort, and fewer headaches for years to come.